Assalatu wslamao, Rasool Allah, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. In the last video, I told you about the benefits of writing salawat. And when you write it in a notebook, you get the continuous ajar till your written salawat remains in that notebook. So today in this video, I'm sharing the salawat which has been written by various salawat family members, and they sent me through WhatsApp and email to me as well. So I'm showing you all those, and I would encourage all of you, I'm also following it myself, that every day try to write one page of salawat. In these images and videos, you will see that some people have written the short salawat, like Salawat Wasallam. Some people have written Darood Ibrahim, Salawat Ibrahim, fully. One sister is writing all salawat, like all types of salawat in her notebook. And many people have this target to write salawat around 125,000 times in this Ramadan. So it all depends on what you decide and how do you decide. But do write salawat every day, or maybe you can fix some time before going to bed, 10 minutes before going to bed, something like that, because it will bring you lots and lots of blessings as promised by our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, as per hadith mentioned in the last video. And do share with others. You never know, because of your sharing, others may get encouraged, and when they will write salawat or recite salawat because of you, you will get extra blessings because of that. So let's keep the chain moving. Let's become those people who recite salawat, who write salawat, and who spread the message of salawat to other people and encourage them. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of us with His love and the love of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in this Ramadan. Assalato wa salam eleyika, ya Rasool Allah, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rehmatula wa barakato.